अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन सोल्यूशन। अगर आपने अब तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब के बटन को प्रेस करके बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें, इसलिए ताकि आपके पास मेरी आने वाली वीडियोस बआसानी मिल सकें।
Open Sublime, save a new file with HTML extension. Here is a basic HTML code. Enter the title. Cascading style sheet. Make more attractive your page and save a lot of time. CSS context, P curly brackets, color, double colon, blue semicolon, found minus family, double colon, Arial semicolon. The P called selector. Between the curly brackets are declarations. Between the curly brackets, the first is property and the second is always value. Double colon and close curly bracket complete the syntax. Created a p tag and we want styling of color blue and font family Arial. We create a style tag into head. Save the file and see the HTML file. Now we change the color. Let's see that styling is applied properly. CSS selector have 5 main categories. The basic one is simple selector. CSS element selector selects HTML elements based on the element name. Here CSS ID selector ID attribute of an HTML element to select a specific element. ID of element must be unique by apply the selector. To select an element with a specified ID, write a hash character followed by the ID of the element. This p tag ID para1 and its styling found minus size 20px color blue. Here we ID mentioned by hash para1 color red found minus size 20 pixel. Save file and see the result. Here change the size. Here we change the color blue. Let's see. CSS class selector select HTML elements with class attribute. A specified class write a period dot character followed by the class name. Create class center into p tag dot center text align center. Save the file. Color green semicolon font family Arial semicolon font size p 20px semicolon. Save the file and see the result. Next, we apply multiple class selection and a specified class selection. h1 tag class write class attribute h1 class write color pink along with p class write. They both h1 and p have same class attribute write. Here we are apply group selection. Color pink apply on class dot write both elements. Let's see. Now I am applying the specified class selection. P dot write text decoration underline. Now see the result. P class write. What will happen? See the result. The text is underlined. The specified class mentioned. Now refer to more than one class. Here p tag class attribute large and right element. Here I am applying p dot large text line height font size 20 px color black. Text decoration none. To see the accurate result, I change the p dot large style into comments and then change into styling. Let's see. CSS grouping selector allow to same style definition. So we create a div and class order, created an order list items 1 2 3 4 5. Second we created list. Second we created class unordered and hard item 1 2 3. Let's see. Now I am applying styling dot order comma dot unordered. It will apply the same styling on both elements. Now I am created another div class list1 and list2. Apply the style on class dot list1. Save file and see the result. What style will do. Now I am going to universal selector. It will define by static character and it will apply on all the elements of HTML. Here we are styling apply border 1px.